Welcome! Today we're going to do a short channel update because we've made some changes to the GSF software website. On the main project page of the GSF software website, we normally display a recently added page initially. This displays all the videos we have uploaded to YouTube in the last 30 days, regardless of the subject. There are a number of other tabs which let you see all the videos for a particular subject type, for example the console compiler or the PowerBasic Windows compiler. Today we have added a new tab, by keyword. For some time we have been uploading videos with keywords attached, so you can easily search out the subject of a video by keyword. On the new tab, all the keywords are displayed in their own table. So for example on the screen here we can see the 4 videos which were created with the array keyword. So if you've watched a video and you want to see if there are any other videos on a particular subject, all you need do is to come to this page and look to see if any other videos were created with that particular keyword. This means that videos may well be listed more than once if they have more than one keyword. But it should make it much easier for you to navigate and find the video you wish to watch. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.